take you to a place you ain't never been, like floating on cotton candy clouds, shirt and panties on the ground. This kitty's hot, fan it down, make moves on me, probably don't stand around.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my shower routine, but today is going to be a vanilla and coconut edition. I really think vanilla and coconut is a perfect fall scent, so I'm going to jump right in with my Tahitian Vanilla Bean Tree Hut scrub. I absolutely love all the scrubs by Tree Hut. This has been my signature scent since like my freshman year of college, so I'm definitely going to stick beside this scent, and it's vanilla. I love vanilla, and this is just really a great way to soften your skin up and smell good, but it's not too abrasive. I'm really in the mood to exfoliate, so I'm going to go ahead and put on my exfoliating gloves, and I'm going to use my Cerave Hydrating Cleansing Bar. I really love this bar because it's not too harsh on my skin because I have very sensitive skin, especially around my chest area. So this cleanser combined with the exfoliating gloves is the perfect amount of exfoliation for my skin in particular, so that I don't become too irritated. Then I'm going to go in with the Coconut and Vanilla Native Body Wash. This is actually my first time ever trying a native body wash. I bought it because obviously it's coconut and vanilla, and I knew it was going to smell really good, which it does. It smells absolutely amazing, and I was a little iffy because I didn't know if it was going to be too harsh on my skin, but so far so good. I don't have any itching or tingling from it, and I actually think it's a product that I'm going to keep using because it smells really good without being too harsh on my skin. And next I'm going to use the Dove Hypoallergenic Foam Wash for my feminine downstairs area because it's non-scented and works really well. After that, I'm going to go in with the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. I actually use this in the shower while my body's still wet, while the water's still running, because when using oils on your skin, it's important to make sure that you have water on your skin already, because a lot of people don't realize, but oils are meant to lock in moisture. They are not moisturizers themselves. So if you put oil on without having any water on your skin will just feel very greasy and it actually won't moisturize you at all. And this is also kind of a coconut type of scent, and I really love it. I'm gonna go ahead and light my Rising Summit candle. It's a soy wax candle. Soy wax candles are really the best. They smell the strongest. I really absolutely love this candle. It's very much fall vibes. Then I'm going to go in with my Roche-Posay lotion and my skin therapy oil by Cocoa Butter. And I'm telling you, this combination is so moisturizing, especially with the weather getting really cold and dry outside. This will definitely keep the moisture locked into your skin. And like I said, it's important to accompany any sort of oil with some sort of water or some sort of moisturizer so that you're really locking in the hydration into your skin. So that's why I like to pair these two together. I'm going to go in with my Degree 72 Hour, and then after that I'm going to use my Coconut Rose roll-on perfume. I actually got this from Ultabeauty, and you guys, it smells so good, and even the bottle is so aesthetic. It has little rose petals in it, but the coconut and rose scent is really just going to do it for me every single time. And then I'm going to go over that with my Mixbar Vanilla Perfume. I absolutely love it. I got it from Target for like $20. And after that, I'm going to go in with my Cocomagic Coconut Rose Heel and Foot Cream. This cream is really going to seal the deal for you guys, I'm telling you. So after I got dressed, I really wanted to just enjoy the fall weather, so I kind of just kicked it in the house for a little bit, and I actually made my favorite juice, which is just watermelon and lime mixed together in a blender. And this is just for my immune system because it is getting cold outside. But after that, I really just relaxed and watched Game of Thrones, and I was just really vibed out the rest of the day. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.